Thank you once again for watching our videos at National Gear Repair. This is one of the hot orders that just came in from a local plastic manufacturer here in Southland. National Gear did not inspect this gearbox. This gearbox was sent out to 2 other vendors across the city, and both of those vendors could not get the client back up in time running sufficiently. So they opted to bring all the equipment to us here. So we're re-putting this back together. National Gear will be repairing the housing here on the thrust side. So it's damaged right there in the housing. Follow me here. We will be supplying all brand new bearings and seals, thrust bearing, repair the shaft seal areas. And National Gear will be manufacturing a new gear set. High-speed pinion, high-speed gear on our Gleason Genie 36. This will all, today is Monday, June the 3rd. This will be ready to go by this Friday, which would be June the 7th or June the 8th, which is in 4 to 5 days. This gearbox will be fully reassembled, new bearings, new gear set, and the customer will be back up and running at the end of the week. So do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please continue to watch these videos, and leave us any comments, any questions, any concerns. We got you. Thank you.